Hello, welcome to all the students here. The last topic of chapter number 2, that is the misuse of medicines. Last topic we have studied heart diseases, their prevention and treatment. Misuse of medicines. We are consuming so many types of medicines, generally with the advice of the doctor, but sometimes some people they are consuming or using these medicines without prescription of doctors, and the overdose of these medicines may causes various effects on our body. So that is called misuse of medicines. So say in this chart, overdose of medicine use and their effects. Here, painkiller. Sometimes what happens, some people they are having some paining in the leg, pain in the back, paining in the teeth. So that's why they are without a prescription of doctors, they are consuming medicines. And if you use this type of medicines without the prescription of doctor, so these painkiller medicines damage our nervous system. Yes, it can cause nervous system, excretory system also, and it also on effect of liver. So many diseases comes. Sometimes some people they are not getting a cure in cough, cold, and that's why without the prescription of doctor they are consuming antibiotic medicines also. And this consuming or overdose of antibiotic medicines causes a nausea, dysentery, rashes, white patches on the tongue. This type of disease or effects comes on the body. Syrups also, we are using various types of cough syrups without the prescription of doctor, or overdose use of these syrups can cause giddiness, skin disease also comes. So that's why it is our duty, we have to ask the doctors before using this type of medicines. Their powers are different, their contents are different, and their productions are also different. So without the prescription of doctors, we never use this type of medicines. We should always remember. So remember this. Then generic medicines. Generic medicines means, what is my generic medicines? Generic medicines means are also called as a general medicines. These medicines are manufactured and distributed without any patent. These medicines are at par in quality with branded medicines. Means generic medicines are branded medicines. They are similar, but their cost is 80 to 80% less than other medicines. So we can save economy also, and they are branded medicines. Generic medicals are there in every towns. These medicals or medicines are not so costly, and they are good for our health also. That's why production cost of these medicines is very low due to fewer expenses on research, as their formula is readily available. So they are called generic medicines. So you can see more about the generic medicines. Copy of original drugs whose patent has ended. It's sold under its genetic name, chemical compound, and adopted name. The average cost of generic drug is 80 to 85% lower than the original. That's why these medicines are discovered and prepared in the research and development laboratory. Who makes generic drugs? Any drug manufacturer can make them after approval from the drugs controlling authority. Cipla is the pharmaceutical company. Cipla is a branded medicines. Dr. Reddy's and Ranbaxy, these are the some industries they are manufacturing generic medicines. So last topic, that is the lifestyles. Yes. Our lifestyles and diseases. See, lifestyle and diseases. The lifestyle of peoples are now changed. The routine, daily routine of the people is now changed. In that daily routine, it includes foods, habits of various, late wake up in the morning, late sleeping at the night, frequent changes in the meal timings, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk foods like Chinese foods, and so many are there. These all are increased, and due to this, such peoples are getting sick frequently. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow a right lifestyle. It must include what are the right decisions, what is the right style of humans, sufficient sleep, right food, yogasana, pranayams, and physical exercise. So, physical exercise should also be as per one's own capacity. So, food, cloth, shelter, education, electricity, these are our basic needs, but exercise is also our most important basic need today, and will have the effect of exercise, the importance of exercise comes to know now. That's why our lifestyle should include sufficient sleep, yes, physical exercise, then proper meal, avoiding junk foods, bad habits like smoking, eating tobacco, and others. We should prevent this eating of tobacco. So, if you have a habit of exercise daily, proper meal time, pranayams, yogasans, then you will never have any type of disease. So that's why it is most important. And last is the vaccination. So vaccination is important to prevent the infections from various disease. So there are so many vaccinations, so many vaccines, polio vaccines also there, rabies vaccines are also available there. So the government is now going to discover about corona vaccines. It has been now discovered in various type of industries or departments. It will come soon, and it will be followed to everybody's in all over the world. So these are the various topics we have studied in this chapter. So remember all the points, read the points carefully, and solve the exercise questions in your notebook. So I will give homework on this topic, but you revise the lesson. So this chapter second is also finished here. Next time we'll start the chapter number 3. Thank you.